get a job and doing this and doing business. Just if you have a problem, look for the solution. Nothing exists, just find a solution. Hi guys, how are you all? I hope all are doing great. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to overcome the stage fear. Because everyone facing this problem to give their presentation in front of the lots of audience. Stage fright is incredible common issue, often associated with the fear of public speaking, performance anxiety. It refers to the feeling of butterflies in stomach. Most of the cases, stage fright is mild and diminishes in response to someone's self-help strategies like deep breathing and giving yourself pep talk, so that it will help you to reach out overcome the stage fear. For example, I am very introvert girl and I have stage fear as well. When I was in 8th class, I had a competition, speaking competition. Everyone going there giving their names, and I was also given my name, and I collected lots of content, and I had enough content in my mind. I prepared well. One by one they are going to given their speeches. They are completed. At last my chance came, and that kind of situation, I am very scared. I am very afraid of to give my content, and I kept quiet. My heart started racing. My mind went blank. I can't get it anything. I'm very scared. At that span of time, power is gone. There is no mic in that time. So I had enough confidence at that moment. So I explained very well. I maintained eye contact and given my speech in an effective manner. I got second prize. So nothing is there, just you need to prepare well. When you have clear content, then you can easily give to best presentation. Do you know, that was the first time I had fear of stage fear. So you need to prepare well before going to give any presentation. So here I am going to give you insightful strategies to be perfect and to give your presentation in an effective manner. So you have to watch this video till the end. First one is prepare appropriately. Prepare can help you enough confidence, and the more you confidence, then your speech will go into an effective manner. So it will be, you have less fear. So this is the way to give your presentation in an effective manner, and you have to prepare it well. And if you are going to speaking, rehearse often and prepare some lines and some points, and you have to take a pauses and breathtaking and practice eye contact with the audience, so that it will be clear your content. Second one is shift your perspective. Although it can be scary to get up in front of crowd, you might have benefit from this. So you have to change your focus of what you are afraid of to what you have more benefit. For example, if you are going to speaking in front of lots of audience, so you have to think about your potential, what you have, what you may have. Like will it save money or advance career, or you can learn more knowledge from this. Just think like this, so that it will change your thought process. And third one is positive self-talk. Just you have to talk always in a positive manner. It can be also change your mindset and be ready with your content when you are going to give your presentation. Always think, moreover, if you are thinking like I am not good enough, I am not going to give any content, it's not good enough looking, or people won't look at me, won't listen my words. Don't think like this. If you are thinking like this, just reframe your thought process inside. in a positive way, so that it will be change your mindset and you will be have enough confidence. Fourth one is adjust your environment as you need it. If you are going to give presentation, right, if you have a chance to change your environment on the stage, just change it as you need it in that place, so that it will be change your thought process. You may have more comfort levels. It increase comfort levels. Okay, for example, if you are comfort with the 8 notes, when you have 8 notes, then you can give your presentation like everyone having some unique ideas, unique thought process, unique skills, right? So otherwise someone going to use digital presentation, so that it will they keep on way while going to give presentation. They will remember their main points while looking into digital presentation. So it will increase your comfort levels, so you can give your presentation insightful way. Okay, last one and fifth one, insightful strategy to improve your confident level. The fifth or fourth, third, 2, 1 strategy. Engage your senses of fear of stage fear of listing things. Like you can see 5 things, and 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, and 2 things you can smell, 1 thing you can taste. This technique will help you focus on your content and avoid your fear, anxiety, and shift your present moment to be perfect in a present moment. So you have to think about it. I am going to make another video about this 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in detail, so that it will be clear to overcome the stage fear in your life, because it is the main thing, right? In our present interviews or any present when you are studying, you should give your presentations or seminars in your college, or you want to attend the interviews. At least you need to some confidence. So you have to overcome this problem. You have to follow these strategies. First of all, prepare appropriately. Second one is shift your focus on prospective way. Third one is self-positive talk. And fourth one, adjust your environment as you need it. Fifth one is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 technique. This will help you to engage. It will increase your confidence levels. So, however, you may have some confidence in your life to attend the interviews or to talk with someone or anything. Just you need some confidence, right? Just you should overcome it. Because I'm not going to tell get a job and doing this and doing business. I'm not telling anything. Just you need to have some confidence to talk, discuss with someone. I am saying here, you should go out and face the fears. Don't bury them deep inside. Just if you have a problem, look for the solution. Nothing exists. Just find a solution for yourself. If you want to learn something, if you don't have any skill, if you want to learn, so you have to go and search it in Google and find the knowledge and learn, improve your skills. So you will have some good enough content in your mind. You will have some peaceful mind in your life. This is the video today. I think you will overcome the stage fear in your life by watching this video. If you find any information, at least little bit, it will useful for you. Please like and share with your friends. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it. Thank you so much for watching my video. We will meet on next interesting video. Till then, take care. Bye.